Digestion begins when food is taken through the mouth, mixed with saliva, and chewed. Structures in the oral cavity work together to break food down into a small mass called a bolus. During the process of swallowing, the tongue rises to the roof of the mouth, directing the bolus out of the oral cavity. The bolus then passes from the oropharynx to the pharynx and into the esophagus. Involuntary muscular contractions, called peristaltic waves, move the bolus down the esophagus and into the stomach. Peristaltic waves continue the mechanical breakdown of food in the stomach. Digested food, mixed with digestive enzymes and acids secreted by the stomach, is called chyme. Enzymes in the small intestine further the chemical process. A small amount of nutrient absorption occurs in the stomach, but most absorption occurs as chyme travels through the sections of the small intestine. The walls of the small intestine are lined with structures that absorb nutrients from chyme and then pass these nutrients into the bloodstream. Some absorption continues in the large intestine. As indigestible waste moves through the structures of the large intestine, it is compacted. The elimination of indigestible waste completes the digestive process.